Welcome back. What does a young dad do when his baby boy is sleeping? Well, I think I should polish Cadillac rims. Here they are, all four, finally done. These are the two rustiest ones, here and here. This one especially was rusty, but you can see the chrome polish did a wonderful job. So when my friend comes to pick these up for his 88 Brougham, they're ready for him. He could go one step further if he wanted to and do another application of polish. This is just one application. You can see it got a lot of the oxidation and essentially all of the rust off of these rims. And this is just in the car house. You wait till you see it in the sunlight. They're going to just sparkle. But I'm kind of a fastidious person, and I got something that's dirty. I had to clean it. And the Cadillac guy in me just couldn't help myself. So he's getting a beautiful set of rims, and definitely the best bargain I've ever heard of. What he paid for these things is awesome. Congratulations. And still no word from Hemmings on the auction. They're very busy. A lot of cars to process. But don't worry, as soon as I get the information, I will tell every one of you. I know you're all eager to watch the auction, and hopefully some of you might want to buy this car. But I'll keep you posted again. There's much more information coming soon, I hope. And again, how I did this is I took this stuff, Mother's Meg and aluminum polish, and I just went through every spoke, every surface, let it dry to like a powdery residue, and then just buff with my fingers in between all the spokes, and it comes off like this. The rust falls off of it and the oxidation, and you got these beautiful rims underneath. So don't let looks stop you, because with some elbow grease and determination, you can get these Cadillac rims back to near showroom condition. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate it, and I'll see you all down the road.